Hello everyone, my name is Ajay. So here in this video I'm going to ask you a question and it's related to C sharp programming. The main reason for me to ask this question and why, because if you can solve this whatever I'm asking, you can definitely improve your C sharp skills, programming skills especially. So the question is that here I'm having list of integers which are not arranged in a proper order. So the thing you have to do is you have to sort them in ascending order. So usually we can do it by using predefined method li.sort. This is the predefined method, .NET predefined method. By this way we can definitely sort it, but without using that sort method you have to sort it. So that is the question here. So uh, what I suggest is that pause the video here and just do your solution, just try for the solution. Anyway, I'm going to show you this solution now. So once you are done with your solution, verify it with my solution, and that way, I mean, if it is something different and if you come across some another different approach, then please post that solution in the comment section so that I can go through it and all the viewers of this video can also go through that solutions and different types of solutions. So if you can see, I'm having the list here. For this list I'm having four integers. I added four integers. Let's see the integers. So it's 4 1 3 2. So I want to sort them without using the sort method, so I'll remove the sort method. Okay, so for doing that, okay, before that I'm going to explain you how I'm gonna do that sorting, what procedure I'm going to be following for doing that solution. So if you can see, I'm having 4 1 3 2, right? So it's 4 1 3 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, compare each and every element of the collection with the other elements. Like I'm going to compare this 4 with all other elements 1 3 2 and arrange accordingly. In the same time, next one with 3 4 3 2, like I mean each and every element with each other element. So if you take for like if you for example like if you take the first element like 4, first you need to compare it with 1, whether it is less than 1, no, then it is same as that. Now next 4 with 3, it's not less than 4 is not less than 3, so then leave it. Again 4 with 2, it is less than 2, no, it's not less than 2, so then leave it. So that way compare each and every number. So first number I compared, and now compare the second number 1. So 1 with 4, 1 with 3, 1 with 2. So 1 is less than 4, yes. So you have to swap them. Wherever you find it is less than, wherever the less than condition is satisfying, then you just swap the numbers. So here if you see 1 is less than 4, so swap it. 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I made the first swap. I mean, it's not yet done. At the second place, I mean, just and I checked it with 4, which is in the second place. I checked it with the 4, which is in the first place. Then I have to check the second place with the third place. So at present, in the second place, I'm having 4. So you have to check it. First place is done. Now check with the third place. So 4 with third place, 4 less than 3. No, it's not. 4 less than 2, fourth place. No, it's not. Then leave it there. Okay, I'm done checking with the first place. Now I'm done checking with the second place, and now you have to check it with the third place. Now here is the third place. Now check 3 less than 1, no. 3 less than 4, no. 3 less than 2, yes. Then you have to so 3 less than 2, no, sorry. Then leave it. Third place is fine. Okay, okay. Now check for fourth place. There is no difference, so check for fourth place. So fourth place is less than 1, no. Fourth place is less than 4, yes. So you need to swap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2. Okay, so I'm done with the fourth place also. So that way you can swap the numbers. I mean, and then and also you left with this third place, fourth and third place. Fourth place is less than 3, no. So here is the solution. That way, I mean, comparing each and every element of the collection with the other elements, and if you find this condition, then you just need to swap it. So that way you can get the uh, order that you want. So I mean, this may be little confusing here. Don't worry guys, if I go through the code, then definitely you can understand it very easily. So let me start the code. So I'll write a sort function. I will write a extension method for the list, so that way it will be very easy. Static my list functions. I'm going to create a class. Okay, so here I'm going to add a static method. It's like an extension method to the, or else I mean, yeah, I can add the extension method, that would be better. Public static, I'm going to return list of integers. You know what, I'm not returning anything, just keep it as void and sort my sort function. So as this is the extension method, I'm using this, it is for list of integers, so I'm using this keyword for making it as extension method to list li. Yeah, that's it. So when you call this function with this list, then I have to arrange all these elements. That's my goal here. So this will be my input parameter here, li. So what I'm going to do here is, for int I equal to 0, I less than li dot count I plus plus. I'm going to loop all the elements in this loop of this list collection, and I'm also going to loop it again in the inner loop. Okay, so this loop is like checking each element with all other elements from in this loop. It's like comparing each and every element with all other elements in the inner loop. So here, if it is for example, if it is 4 in the outer loop, then in the inner the 4 gets compared with the 4, 4 gets compared with the 1, 4 gets compared with the 3, 4 gets compared with 2, like that. So here I'm going to check the condition. If li of I less than li of j, then swap. Okay, so you know what I mean, this will be, I mean, for example, if it is 4, 4 is the first element, then the 4 will be compared with all other elements with this j loop, with this loop. This is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. So each and every element of the outer loop is compared with each and every element with the inner loop. That way we can fulfill this one, whatever we thought I said initially. So for swapping it, I want to have a temporary variable, and first I want to assign 5 to 10 of li of I to li of j. This is nothing but swapping. I think you know, if you want to swap between two things, then you need to take a temp, and you can do that way, whatever it may be. And li of j is equal to 10. So first I'm storing this li of I value in temp, and again I'm assigning li of j value to li of I, and at present the li value will be changed, so I'm using temp value to store the li value in li of j. It's like swiping, that's it. Okay, here it swaps each and every element if this condition matches. Okay, that's it friends. So let's run this and check whether it's working as expected or not. So it's as it is the extension method, directly you can call it using this object li dot my sort function. Okay, okay, once I'm calling that one, I want to iterate each and every element of the loop. I'll add a store after sorting. Item in li console dot write line item. Yep. Let's run it. Control F5. So here you can see the before sorting it is 4 1 3 2, and after sorting it is 1 2 3 4. So it is working as expected friends. So it is nothing but, I mean, I can also debug this and show you to you one by one. I'll keep a breakpoint here and I will run it. So here if you see I is 1 now, I will start the process now. Okay, now I value is 0 and j value is 0. So list of li of I is equal to 4 and li of j is also 4. Then it is not matching that condition, then it will not get into this condition. So something, I will debug it again. Okay. So here you can see I is 0 and j is 0. So li of I is 4 and li of j is also 4. Then it is not satisfying this condition. Then it will come out of that condition. Okay. Next, I will be still 0 and j will increment as it is the inner loop. And if you can see now, I is still 0. So li of I is 4. And if you see j, it is 1. So j value is 1. So first element is 1. So 4 less than 1, no it's not, so it again goes out of this condition. Now j is 2, and what is the element in 2? It's 3. 3 less than 4, so 4 less than 3, no it doesn't satisfy the condition, so it will come out of the condition again. Now j is 3, so 3 we are having 2, 4 is less than 2, no it doesn't, so it again comes out of the condition. Okay, so the inner loop is done and again it goes to the outer loop now. So here in the outer loop, now I value is incremented by 1. So if you say I is 1 and j starts again from 0. So li of 1 is 1 and li of j, which is 0, is 4. Now 1 less than 4, yes, then it have to come into this condition now. Yeah, it came into condition. Now I will be swapping it. So first I will get li of 5 value into the temp, which is 1, and I will store li of j value in li of 5, which is 4, and now I will store temp value in li of j, which is li of 5's previous value. That way I will be swapping the elements. So after swapping, let's see how it is. 1 4, so you can see here the first element and the second element first and second element were swapped. Why? Because there's those both, I mean, uh, they are matching the condition. These both elements are matching the condition. That's the reason they swapped it. That is one thing. Now I is still 1 and j is incremented to 1. So in the present list, 1 is 4. At 1, index of 1, the value is 4, and j is 1 at present, and it is still 4. So it doesn't satisfy this condition. It will come out of the condition. Now y is still 1 and j value is 2. At 1 it is 4. At 2 it is 3. So 4 less than 3? No. So it comes out of the condition. So I is still 1 and j is 3. So what is 1? 1 is 4. And what is 3? 2. It doesn't satisfy. It is not less than 4 is not less than 2. So it comes out of the condition again. So the inner loop is done again and it goes to the outer loop. Now I gets incremented again. So now I value becomes 2 and j value, I mean again the j value starts from 0 and it will iterate all till for all the elements for this I2 value. Though so first time it didn't match, like LA of 2 to LA of 0 1. This is the j value and this is the I value. So 3 less than 1 it's not, so it came out of the condition. Now it came into the condition because I is 2, right? So at 2 it is 3 and what is j? 1. At j it is 4. So 3 less than 4, yes. So that's the reason it came into the condition. So we'll swap it as it is meeting the condition. Okay, let's check it how it happened after swapping. So 1 3 4. So the index of 1 and index of 2 were changed. The values of first index and the value of second index were swapped. So you can clearly see here. So that way it loops each and every element with each of every element and it swaps wherever this condition is matching, and then you will get the result which is completely sorted. So that way you can do it. So if you can see the output, this is after sorting. And also, you know what, I will make it more simple for your understanding. So each and every time I will again show you how it appears after each and every swap. So each item in Li, console, okay. Just keep some dotted lines to make it separate. Let me run now. So here you can see initially my collection, the integers in that list were in this order 4 1 3 2. After the first swap it didn't done anything. Why? Because 4 is I mean we checked 4 with all other elements, so it is not less than any of the elements, so it is still the same in the second phase. And if you come to the third phase, now the second element is compared with all other elements, so it is less than 4, so the position was changed. That way we got this phase here, and in this third phase, the third element, I mean here if you can see, third element is less than the second element, so this swap happened again here, so this one we got from this both swap. And here if you can see, the fourth element is less than the third element, so again the swap again, and also in the same time the third element will be less than the second element also, so it goes, the 2 goes here and 3 comes to this element and 4 goes here. That way you get the final result as 1 2 3 4 in a sorting order. So that's it, friend. That's it. I mean, it's very simple. It will be little confusing, but if you can try in your system and just take a pen and paper and write it down on your paper, definitely you'll feel it very easy. So this is for sorting in ascending order, right? If you want to sort it in descending order, simply change this sign to greater than and run it. So you can see in descending order 4 3 2 1. So that's it, friends, and this is about the uh, all about solving this problem without using the predefined sort method. So, and you know what, I'm planning to make another video in the next another video related to this same kind of problem, but it is little different. I mean, in the next video, if in the next video I'm going to show you another solution. So the question for the next video is that to sort the list of, I mean, here we are sorting list of integers, right? In the next video, I'm going to explain you how you can sort list of strings, not list of integers. So that will be little bit complicated. So string, let's say BC BB as one string, ABC as one string, BC B AA as one string, A as one string, name it as L1. So this is the question for the next video, guys. I mean, if you have time, please solve the question, try this question, and if you find a solution, please post in the comments. Anyway, I'm going to say you the solution in the next video. You can compare it with my solution if you find some other solution. So just post your solution if you find anything. So here you can see, commenting this for now, also commenting this for now. Okay, this is the question for the next video. So you have to sort this list of strings in a ascending order, like the strings which are starting with A comes first, next with B comes second. Not only the first letter, also you have to compare it with the second letter. If you see this both, like B, C, B, B and B, B, A, here the second letter is B. I mean, first letter is same, so it comes to second letter. Second letter here is B and here is C. So this element must go top of this element. So that way you have to sort it. And just try to sort it, and just without using this predefined sort method again, just try to sort it by your own function, and just post that in the comment section if you find the solution. Anyway, I'm going to say you the solution in the next video. So that's all about this sorting in this video, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and also comment if you have any doubts. So in every interval of time, I'm planning to make some questions like this and also give you the solution. That way you can definitely improve your C# programming skills. Not only the C# but whatever programming skills it is, you can definitely improve your coding skills. So thanks a lot, friends, for watching my video. Thank you. Have a good one.